Upper attachment.
The bumper is attached to the top with 6 plastic expanding rivets. To remove, first pry out the inner part, and then the entire part. Remove all expanding rivets on the top.
Lower attachment.
Also attached to the underside of the bumper only with expanding rivets. Remove all expanding rivets.
Attachment to the side.
The bumper is attached to the wheelhouse liner with 3 expanding rivets on each side. Remove all.
Screw to the fender.
After the rivets are removed, you can push the wheelhouse liner a little to the side and remove the screw to the fender. The screw is screwed from bottom to top. After the screw is out, pull the bumper sideways out of the guide. While pulling, shake the bumper slightly to free it from the hooks. You may need to use a suitable tool to help you do this.
Unplug electronics.
Disconnect the headlights, or the electrics of the bumper on both sides. And then that's it, and you can remove the bumper.